Music PH, keep it running on loop. I'm lost in your audio gear review. Late night, it's just me in the room, learning how this sound moves. Neo Music PH, yeah, I'm vibing with you. Every take feels honest and new.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Neo of Neo Music PH, and welcome to another audio gear review. If you're a singer, worship leader, or a live performer, this microphone might surprise you. This is the Phoenix Pro PM26 Super Cardioid Dynamic Vocal Microphone, and you're gonna love this. But first, let's check what's inside the box. So the box is super clean, professional, and yung built nung box is parang katulad na rin ng mga mamahalin nating microphone. So what's inside? So inside, there's another box. Loob ng box, una nating makikita is yung kanilang pouch. At meron syempreng logo ng Phoenix Pro. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang loob. At masasabi ko dito, almost same siya nung sa SM58 natin. So, pouch. And right away, we get the PM26 dynamic microphone. Ayan guys. And of course, meron siyang logo ng Phoenix Pro PM26. Ito kanyang XLR sa loob. And this microphone is metal. Metal siya guys. So solid ng build niya. Parang hindi siya mura eh. Talagang pang-professional. Included na rin ang kanyang high-grade, low-noise XLR cables. And I think mahaba to. Siguro mga nasa 5 to 10 meters. Ayan. Meron din siya kasamang microphone clip. So, ito na yung pwede nyo gamitin kung may mga sarili kayong mic stand. Other than that, meron din silang sticker ng Phoenix Pro. And of course, the user manual. So basically, ito lahat yung laman ng kanyang box. So our friends from Phoenix Pro send this over for me to test. And of course, this is not a sponsored video. So kailangan ko lang talaga tong i-review at sabihin kung ano talaga yung experience ko dito sa microphone na to. Especially nagamit ko na to sa mga gigs and live performances. And of course, this is not just an unboxing dahil itatry din natin ito live para mapakinggan nyo na rin kung ano talagang tunog nitong PM26 from Phoenix Pro. So first impression, this mic looks clean, modern, and gig ready. The grills is tight, the finish looks premium, parang hindi ba talaga masasabing mura lang siya. And to be honest, this microphone looks like something you'd see on a professional stage. And what I love about this microphone, this is a super cardioid microphone. So it means it's designed to focus on your voice and cancel all the noise sa paligid mo. Which is perfect para sa mga live performance katulad natin. So let's say this microphone looks good and premium, but how about the sound? So let's test this microphone. But before that, let's talk about the important specs of this microphone, the PM26.
Super Cardioid Dynamic Microphone handles high sound pressure levels, excellent feedback rejection, durable metal construction, designed for vocals and live performances, optimized for wireless and wired systems. Alright, so now you are hearing my voice through the PM26. And because it's a super cardioid microphone, notice that if I move away, the audio drops, especially pag dito sa mga gilid. Ayan, 1, 2, sound check, sound check, sound check. Especially sa likod. Ayan, sa likod almost parang hindi na pumapasok sa microphone. And that's good. That means less bleed sa drums, speakers, or other noises. Also, very low ang handling noise. So, perfect to sa mga performers. So now, this is the real test. I'm gonna sing a song like how I use this microphone sa mga live performances. So let's go. Let's put some reverb. Alright. Shout out Ibarra Music.
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find a way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be.
is never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
What I like about this mic is it keeps my voice warm but clear. And it doesn't sound thin kahit wala pang EQ tuning. At kung magtutune kayo ng EQ, I think konti lang yung babaguhin ninyo kasi out of the box, it's good, it's really good. And it doesn't get harsh kapag pinupush natin yung vocals natin. Napansin nyo kanina, kahit tumataas tayo, hindi siya sumasabog. So very important yon sa mga ballad, sa mga chorus, di ba? Especially if you are a singer, ayan, mahalaga na hindi sumasabog yung microphone kapag kumakanta. So that's it. I think I really recommend this sa mga kapwa nating musikero, sa mga singers, worship leaders, or sa mga performer, buskers. And I think pwede rin ito gamitin sa podcast kasi okay yung quality niya eh. Tapos less noise pa. Hindi katulad ng condenser mic na masasagap talaga yung mga noises sa paligid. Ito medyo less. At what if gumawa tayo ng podcast? Let me know in the comment section kung gusto niyo gumawa tayo ng podcast at kung anong mga topic yung gusto niyo mapakinggan. So this is the final verdict. Is the Phoenix Pro PM26 good? Yes, especially if you are a singer, live performer, or a wedding singer. It's durable, sounds clean, rejects feedback well, and of course, it looks professional on stage. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly microphone, I recommend this one. Di kayo magsisisi. And I'll put the product links in the description para sa mga gusto mag-avail. Thank you again, Phoenix Pro, for trusting Neo Music PH with this microphone. And sa mga nanonood, thank you so much for always supporting Neo Music PH. And that's it. See you guys again on our next audio gear review.
Neo Music PH, keep it running on loop. I'm lost in your audio gear review. Late night, it's just me in the room learning how this sound moves. Neo Music PH, yeah, I'm vibing with you. Every take feels honest and new. Building up my setup with you, off an audio gear review. Oh, yeah, yeah, off an audio gear review. Camera on a stand, cables tracing little circuits. Yeah, you twist one tiny dial and explain why it's all worth it. Pause frame, script.